Seko Construction is a design-build general contractor specializing in low-rise, commercial, light industrial construction.
We believe Seko Construction is the most user-friendly design-build contractor in Western Canada.
We pride ourselves in being able to arrive at a unique construction solution at a fixed price at or below an owner's predetermined budget. Permasteel is generally considered Western Canada's largest and oldest metal building systems contractor. The relationship between Seko and Permasteel is such that Permasteel is the supplier and erector of the pre-engineered steel structure, and Seko Construction is the general contractor taking the project from concept through to completion. Our projects range across a wide spectrum. We do commercial, industrial, recreational, aviation, mining, forestry, such uses as aircraft hangars, ice arenas, automobile dealerships, heavy fabrication facilities, water treatment plants, bottling facilities. The list is endless. Our owners know their business best. It's our business development team's responsibility to extract the information from the owner as to how he or she intends to use the facility so that we can come up with a unique construction solution that will best suit their needs.
During the design stages with the customer, we work with them to capture their needs, and we can make suggestions based on our experiences that would allow them to get more building for their buck.
We'll get together as a team, collaborate, evaluate what's going to be the best solution for an owner, provide him or her with the best value, the best solution possible.
We go through a preliminary design here at the office. We then put together the architecture for the office and those type of finishes, and we present the owner with a design and budget for this work. He reviews the design and we take that information,
compile our pricing, pull it together, present the owner with a lump sum proposal. The price will not change unless the owner changes the scope of the work. We enter into a CCDC 14 design build stipulated price contract, and we're off and running, and we start building their facility.
Seko Construction is core certified, which means that they have followed an established set of guidelines that the government and their certified partner has set out for them.
Safety that's our number one priority, is safety on the job site.
The way I look at it, if everybody can go home safe at night to their family, I have a good deal.
From safety to the green characteristics of our buildings to the design of our buildings, we've won awards in almost every category of construction.
We've been involved in a number of projects, including donating time and resources to help dig a community garden, up to working with Big Brothers and Big Sisters, as well as the Boys and Girls Club of Alberta.
We know that being a business in the community, that it's important to give back to the community. Being a good corporate citizen is very high on our priority list.
I think one of the things that we really need to celebrate with our partnership with Seko is the fact that they've been with us since day one. They joined us at the Northern Classic, which was the very first outdoor junior hockey game ever hosted in Canada, and they were major sponsors, making sure that every kid in the community could attend.
In the construction business, you're only as good as your last job. So the fact that we do so much repeat business and reference work is proof to our performance.
We're building very strong relationship with our clients, and it's resulting in they're coming back for more work and more work.
We do a lot of repeat business. Like this, on this building now, this is our third time adding on to the buildings.
We're standing in the first building right now, and it's served us well for many years until we expanded the fleet further and had to go back to the market and build a second building. Because of our good experience with Seko first time around, we didn't even put it out to competitive tender.
There's lots of details to work out, but anything different that we wanted, which was a lot, and they adapted to the model that we wanted. The experience has been great to date. I mean, we're pretty early here with we're just doing earthwork, but we're very, very confident that we're going to actually have a relationship for years and years.
It was always kind of neat when you talked with Seko, because it was just, you weren't a number. It was like you were talking to people, and it was like they were absorbing what you're talking about. They heard you. Seko built 3 buildings for me.
They have a fairly rich history of building, especially in the aviation community all over Western Canada, which impressed us, but they now have a very big portfolio of buildings in all industry sectors. All you have to do is go see their work and talk to the people who are using those buildings.
I'd encourage anyone to talk to many of our repeat customers, go to the facility, inspect the quality of our workmanship, and determine for themselves, is this the company they want to do business with?
We take pride in all the work that we do. Steve will come out and have a look at the job and make sure everything's 100%, and if it's not, he doesn't mind spending the money to make it right.
It's not all about money. It's also about putting a product out there that we can be proud of.
Whether our clients are looking for a unique answer to some unique requirements, or whether our clients are looking for a building that we've done 1,000 times over, we can bring either one of those capabilities to the table.
We expect to continue being a leader in our industry, building our client list one successful project at a time.